In this video, I'll show you the best Nvidia app settings for Fortnite. Now, if you head over to graphics right here and you choose Fortnite, in here you can choose right here, and I suggest going below the middle for performance. Now, obviously the lower you go, the higher FPS, but also the game will look much worse. So if you can handle having a game that looks really bad, you can have it on the lowest and click optimize. But if you want it to look a little bit better, you can select one of these and it's still gonna increase your FPS. So let's go for this one and press optimize. After you've done that, what you wanna do is you wanna scroll down all the way to the bottom here, find driver settings, and you wanna make sure you choose your correct driver. This one off, low latency mode. You can have this off here and then turn it on in-game, or you can turn it on here and off in-game. Max frame rate needs to be off, power management mode needs to be on prefer maximum performance, and VSync you can have on or off, depends on what you prefer. Now those are the basic settings to get the most FPS in Fortnite. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.